Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I will like to show you the way how to lock your TikTok application to avoid the hacks from everyone's surrounds you. So to lock the TikTok, you just need to open these shortcuts application. So hopefully you have this already on your phone, because every iPhone could has this application. If you cannot find this application, you just need to visit the App Store and find them. So open the shortcuts, and right after that, take a look on this bottom side. There will be like three sections. Go visit the automations, and in this automation you just need to create a new one. Go click this plus button and just scrolling down until you found an app. And after you found an app, go click them. Now make sure that you already choose the is open rather than is closed, and you need to change from run after confirmations to run immediately. And right after that, you just need to go click choose the application that you want to lock. Since you want to lock the TikTok, go click TikTok, go click them, and go click done. Now you just need to go click next. The next thing we need to do is creating the actions. You just need to go click new blank automations and go click plus button to add the actions, and just simply type lock screen. And whenever you got them, go click it. Now you just need to go click done. Now let's try to open the TikTok.
You say damn.
Whenever it's open, so your phone will automatically lock it. You need your access of your face as well as the passcode to open the TikTok. So that is the way how to lock the TikTok application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.